Hello all. So let's talk about environment. Do you know that Earth has a carrying capacity? There are only certain number of people that Earth can afford based on the given resources. There is a term for it called ecological footprint. As an individual, me and you, even everybody else living in this world, has certain footprint on the environment based on how we live. Like I'm living in a concrete building, so I'm actually affecting the environment in a way. The transport I use. Do I use public transport or a pooled vehicle, or I have a personal vehicle for everything I go for, as a motorbike or car? Kind of food I eat. Do I eat processed food more that need more traveling to come to you, or I simply eat local grown food that require less transportation? Do I have animal based food more, or I have vegetables or green food more? So based on all these things, as an individual, I am having an impact on the environment. This is called my ecological footprint. Similarly, you also have an ecological footprint. An interesting fact is that whatever kind of impact we are having is much more than the environment can produce for us. Capability of environment to produce resources and absorb all our waste is called biocapacity of the environment. So by simple mathematics, if you see, the ecological footprint we leave on the environment, if it is equal to the biocapacity of the environment, then we are even. Then the environment will sustain and we will not need more resources for Earth to survive. But this is not the fact. As an individual and as a group, as a community, as a whole, as a country, everybody of us are consuming more resources and causing more ecological footprint than actually the environment can sustain. And this is causing ecological deficit. And this, in a way, is demanding for us to have a separate Earth or more Earth-like places to fulfill all our needs. If you want to go by the numbers, I'll show you some interesting numbers. This is an open data platform that is supported by Global Footprint Network. You can see the world map around here. You can click on any country and see how we are impacting environment there. Let us start with India itself. If you click India and see the data here, currently every individual on an average in India is having a biocapacity reserve deficit of minus zero point 0.7 global hectare. Means in India, each individual on an average having an ecological footprint of 1.1 global hectare, and they are, unfortunately, India has only a biocapacity per person of zero point 0.4 global hectare. This implies either we have more population to rely on the limited environmental resources, or as an individual, as a community, as a country, we are definitely using more resources. This is the whole graph that are varying. You can see the difference is growing year by year, day by day. So the link of this page I will also give in the description box. If you want to see yourself, check out yourself, you can go and see the whole data of any country which you like to understand the global footprint we are creating as a human and the environmental cost that each of us has been bearing on the environment without knowing about it. Further, in the footprintnetwork.org, there is a place where you can calculate your personal overshoot day. You should definitely try and calculate now. I think based on 5 to 10 questions, you will be able to understand what is your overshoot day as an individual. There are 8 languages available. You can also try this in Hindi and English, which is more popular in India, and you can also try in any other languages. So I will also paste the link of this thing in the description box. Please go ahead and try and let me know how is your experience and the way you think after watching this video. If any one of you has enough courage and belief to go through this exercise, then I'll definitely like to know about your experiences and your reflection about the whole idea, how you think about the whole process of ecological footprint and biocapacity. Looking forward to hear from you. Till then, bye bye.